Hello guys, today's tutorial is I will be showing you, not really showing you, but I will be explaining to you. Okay, I'm just starting my YouTube channel, so I'm just getting some ideas how can I do the tutorial, which is very easy to follow. Okay, so I did some of my tutorial that I show them how I crochet them, but this one I will be explaining to you guys. I'm not sure if it will help, but I will just give you ideas how I did it. So if you'd like, if you have some piece of paper, pen, and and I will go through with you. So with my project, and you can just take note and take down some numbers and how I do it. Okay, so with this project I started from the top. Okay, so I did the right side is 30 stitch, and this middle here is 5 stitch and 1 in the middle and 5 stitch as well here, and this side here is even, is the same number as this side, so 30 30 5 5 and then 1. Okay, so if your size is needs to be 40 40 or 35 35, and the middle will stay the same. Okay, so the first row is the chain. Okay, so as I mentioned before, if with mine is I have 30 and 30 here plus 5 5 10 11, so I have 40 30 30 60 71 stitches. Okay, and then after 71 stitches, okay, I double crochet. Okay, I double crochet 30 in this side and the left side, and then chain 5, and then in the middle chain 5, skip 5 stitches, and then on the 6th chain I make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and then chain 5, skip 5, and then I double crochet the rest. Okay, that is the row 2. With the row 3, okay, this one is 30, so the row 3 will be decreasing 1. Okay, so 30 it will be 29 29, 5 chain, skip 5 chain, and then in the middle 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 5 and skip 5, and then 29 in this side. So if your count is 35 here, it needs to be 34 here. Okay, so that's what I did. In the middle it doesn't decrease, it's just in the side. Okay, so 30 in the second row, 30, and the third row is no, and we have the chain. Okay, and then the first row is we have 30, the second row 29, the third row 28 28 27 26 until to the top. Okay, so 30 29 28 27 26 25 24 23 22 and so on. Okay, so it will be the same as this one as well. Okay, and then in the, as I mentioned, in the middle is chain double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. As you can see, 1 1 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Okay, and so with this top here, so it depends if you want it, how many, it depends if how many rows you decided. Okay, if you decided with the same as mine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 rows. Okay, so 13 rows, and then with mine on the top here, okay, so I have 3 double crochet, and then I chain 5 and then skip 5 and then double crochet and then chain 5 and I skip 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6 I put 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. It's the V stitch. Okay, and then chain 5 and into the last stitch here I double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, and then in the middle will be the same, 5 and then double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 5, and in the first chain here, in the first double crochet on top of it is double crochet and then chain 5 and skip and then a V stitch and then chain 5, skip and then double crochet and 5 chain, skip and 3 double crochet. Okay, so on top of this is we will be doing decrease. Okay, so here, okay, so we will be doing 2 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So 2 double crochet is in the outer side, and then chain 1 and then double crochet and then chain 4, and then on top of the double crochet and chain 4 again, and then V stitch. You have to put V stitch, then chain 4, double crochet on top, double crochet, chain 4 and double crochet in the middle, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and then chain 4, double crochet on top, double crochet, and then chain 4, double crochet on the V stitch, then chain 4, double crochet on top, double crochet, and then chain 4, single crochet and double crochet, chain 1 and then 2 double crochet. Okay, so you will be just decreasing that in your chain, you will be decreasing, and in the middle as well you will be decreasing as well. Okay, so it's the same going to the top. From here going to the top, you will be decreasing as the same as the side. Okay, so hopefully I clear with that, and it does make sense and you following it. And then when you finish it and attaching this cord, okay, so what I did is on top of double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the chain 1 space, okay, I put double crochet and chain one, and then double crochet, and then it's the same one, chain one, and then turn your work, and then double crochet, chain one, two double crochet. So always in the outer side, okay, it has to be two double crochet, and then chain one. In the inner side, it's one double crochet. So we have that edging nicer. Okay, so you have to continue that until how many rows do you need? With mine is I have make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 rows. Okay, and then from here I change my pattern into just one double crochet and one double crochet. So this one doesn't have chain one. I just put in the middle. Okay, if you want you can put chain one there or something like that. Okay, and you just have to continue. So when you do turn your work, okay, you have to chain one and then turn your work and then do a double crochet, okay, and then double crochet, and then after you finish that, chain one, okay, double crochet, and then double crochet. So you have to put that in the middle, okay, and then chain one, turn your work, double crochet, and then double crochet, chain one, turn your work, double crochet, okay, and that is how I do it. So it's the same as this one here. So insert your yarn here, insert your yarn, your hook, okay, and when you finish this side or this side, okay, so if you start from here, okay, you have to chain, okay, but you can do this way, okay, so chain one and then double crochet, and then chain one, two double crochet, chain one double crochet, okay, and then chain one, double crochet, two double crochet, and one double crochet, okay, so it's this time, okay, so the same rows, okay, and then I skip into, I change the pattern into two double crochet, okay, and see, chain one and then double crochet, okay, just put in your stitch in the middle, okay, so that's how I do it. So it's the same here. This one here is this same, okay, so I have there, first I started with two double crochet, chain one double crochet, and then change into chain one double crochet, and then one double crochet, okay, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, okay, so I just made it simple on the bottom. I started from two double crochet and one double crochet, and then ended up in the second row is one double crochet until the rest. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, leave me a comment. I'm just starting and I'm looking for ways to make it easier, the crochet, and you can follow it easier as well. Okay, so with mine is I don't have any pattern for this, but this is very very simple. I just create this pattern in my head, and if you need it, I can help you. Okay, the very important thing making anything is taking the right measurement. Okay, and with your measurement is that's when you make your stitches. Okay, so creating your stitches is you have to be aware that it stretches as well. Okay, so it stretches. So this is how I made my top. Okay, thank you guys, and if you like this video, if you have comments, any suggestions, I will be very happy. And if you want me to make a video and showing how I did this, just leave a comment and I will make that happen. Thank you very much guys. See you next time. Bye.